Have you been looking for a home in Greenville, South Carolina? In this video, we're going to take a tour of my newest listing right here at 311 Maplestead Farms Court in Greenville, South Carolina. If you are new to this channel and you want to know everything about living in Greenville, South Carolina, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification button below so that you'll be the first to know about the current market in Greenville, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. We get calls from people just like you about moving to this area. So if you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact information are in the description box below. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and help you make a smooth move to Greenville, South Carolina. Now, let's go ahead and check out 311 Maplestead Farms Court right here in Greenville, South Carolina. All right, so this is a neighborhood right here in Greenville and very convenient to the Swamp Rabbit Trail. And in this neighborhood, you have some sidewalks in the neighborhood. So if you like to walk, you have those sidewalks to be able to walk. And look how long this driveway is. Pretty long driveway. You can probably get, maybe 4 to 6 cars out here on the outside. And then obviously you can park 2 inside the home as well. Very nicely maintained home. You have some floodlights there in the front of the garage, and nice little landscape in here in the front, and storm door in case you want to just open up the door and just let the light shine in. And as you walk in, you got the living room right here. And it does have the LVP floors on the floor in here. Right here you have a coat closet. Okay, ceiling fan in every room in here. And you got the kitchen area with the island. I'm going to pan around here, give you another look. Okay, dining area there. And we'll go upstairs in a moment. Now this is a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom home. And right here there's another closet. This is where they put the brooms. And through this hallway, you have the powder room. And in all the bathrooms, they have these lighted mirrors in the bathrooms. So powder room here. They've also updated the fixtures. You can see that one's also been updated. And right here is another closet that could be a linen closet or a pantry, which is what these current owners are using it for. Now, along with the 4 bedrooms, you also have this bonus room / little office space that you could use as a flex room. And you can see the LVP floors goes all the way into that room as well. This is the 2-car garage, automatic door opener, and you do have the epoxy floors in this garage as well. All right, let's go upstairs. So as you walk up, you have 4 bedrooms up here, including the owner's suite, which we'll go into the owner's suite first. Large owner's suite. You can see you have a ceiling fan in here as well, and large walk-in closet. Good size closet with the window in there, so you can be able to see your clothing. And the ensuite bathroom, you've got those lighted mirrors as well. Double sinks, 5-foot shower. A couple of windows in here, that's in some natural light. Same thing with this hallway area, window there as well. Another bedroom here with ceiling fan as well. And this one actually has a walk-in closet. Right here you have the laundry room. The water heater is in there as well. And another bedroom. And this closet, not quite as big as the other one. Just a typical size closet for a bedroom. This is your second bathroom, tub shower. Got the extension on your shower head there. And the fourth bedroom. And this one actually has a walk-in closet as well. Let's check it out. It's a good sized closet. Okay. Let's go check out the backyard. It does have a fenced backyard. This home is actually, it's about 5 miles or so from downtown Greenville. Like I said before, it's very convenient to the Swamp Rabbit Trail, so easy access if you wanted to go to like the Travelers Rest area, easy access to that area. Plus it's close to downtown Greenville as well. All right, let's check out the outside. Got the sliding door here. You also have the screen door, so if you wanted to just open the door and feel the breeze. Fenced backyard. You got the nice privacy fence out here, so you can, hang out there. Good sized patio, so you can, kind of chill out there in the back. That's 311 Maplestead Farms Court. So if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan the QR code or click the link to schedule a call to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye.